turkey sausages. Making spaghetti with ground turkey, turkey sausages. Something quick, something easy. Onions and green bell peppers. I'll use some garlic powder, onion powder, some complete seasoning. And I'm going to add some pepper. Zay? Okay, I'm just checking on you. I'm just checking on you, boo-boo. The noodles is almost done. Some people like their noodles al dente. I don't really care for my noodles to be like that. I like mine all the way done. How do you like yours? So it's probably about 5 more minutes, and I'll take it out. And this is the tomato sauce I'll be using. I got this from Aldi's. I think it was $1.99. And actually, it tastes better than Ragu. And this other one, Prego. Yeah, I like this. It tastes good. I've already added my ground turkey. I'm going to add the sauce. I'm going to add the same seasonings that I added earlier. And I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. And I'm going to add some sugar, some brown sugar. Okay. All seasoned up. So I'm going to cover it up. Let it cook on simmer until it's done.
A few moments later.
Okay, let's take a look-see. Okay. Look at that. Baby. And I got the garlic bread in the oven. So when that's done, it'll be time to eat. I'm making my granddaughter's plate. You like cheese on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I love eating cheese, remember? Yes, me.
Put some sauce on her spaghetti.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
That look good? How that look? That look good?
Yeah.
So how does this spaghetti platter look? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate it? I know it tastes amazing. I know that much. Thanks for watching.